So hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Nikita and I really welcome you all again to my channel. So yes, today I brought you one very interesting video. So I thought let's do something funny in this video, as I always bring normal videos. So what is so funny about this video, I will definitely let you know. And yes, this is the makeup challenge at the same time. So what it is, I will tell you. So today the makeup challenge or this funny video is all about, like, I'm going to do my makeup without using any mirror. Even when I record my videos, I use a phone and I use front camera so that I can see myself. But today I'm doing everything from the back camera so that I cannot see whatever I'm applying onto my face, and as well as all the products that I have chosen today. In that also I made sure that I choose products in which there is no mirror, so that whenever I apply something on my face, I cannot see what is going on and how it is. So yes, it's a no makeup challenge, so it's a no mirror makeup challenge today that I'm going to do for you. And it can turn out to be very funny also, because I will not be able to see what I'm applying and whatever I'm doing, how it is going. So without wasting time, let's start this video. So I will go with the steps. So first I'm going to apply my primer. So for primer I'm going to use my Blue Heaven primer. So this is my very first primer. When I started using makeup, I started with this primer because it is affordable, it is good, it's in silicone based primer, so very good option for beginners. I also started doing this. So this step is definitely not a step in which I will use a mirror. I need a mirror. And prepping of the skin I already did, like I applied toner and moisturizer on my face already. Just now I'm applying the primer. So this was the easy step that I did, because actually I don't need any mirror for applying primer. I can do that without a mirror. Now I'm using my foundation from Maybelline Fit Me 128 Warm Nude. Very amazing foundation, no doubt. Taking 2 pumps, I feel 2 pumps will be sufficient for my entire face. And yes, I'm going to use a brush to apply this. I'm going to use a brush, so I will take my foundation and I'm going to apply it with the help of my brush on my entire face. I don't know how it is going and how it is blending nicely, or I'm able to apply it onto my whole face properly or not. Just applying it. So I'm applying it onto my whole face, and as I already told you, I'm not using any mirror. So applying it. It's really difficult, and I know the makeup could turn out to be very funny at the same time, because I'm not able to see I have applied the foundation and everything really nicely or not, and wherever I have applied or where I have not applied. So just making sure that I apply everywhere. At least it might look like somewhere I apply extra product, or sometimes somewhere you might see that I have applied product nicely, I don't know. So using a brush. Now the next step, before I move forward towards the next step, I will just blend quickly using this Wet Beauty blender, so that it gets blended really nicely, and whatever I have applied, that is even. I don't know how it is. Just using the wet blender and quickly blending my makeup a little bit using it. Okay, next step is my concealer. So for concealer I am using my Swiss Beauty concealer. So just directly applying it under my eyes, on here around my nose. So this is like I'm doing. I don't know how it is going to turn out, but just doing it. And now I will use the same brush and will blend it nicely, so that it is nicely blended. really difficult when you can't see yourself in the mirror. And believe me, I'm doing this for the first time, that I'm doing my makeup without a mirror. It's for just for fun. Definitely you cannot do this if you're going in a party or if you're getting ready for a purpose. It's something which is just for the fun purpose. So I'm just doing it for the fun purpose and without using any mirror. And I will quickly take my blender and will blend my makeup a little bit. Whole face. After I have did this step, I will quickly do some powder setting. For that I'm using this Stay Quickie loose powder. Again, this doesn't have any mirror, so that's why I chose that. We'll take some powder on the cover, and with the help of a powder brush will set my whole face. I don't know how it is going, but just I'm doing it, like doing it using the loose powder today. I don't know guys how it is looking, only you people can see how I'm doing without brush, using a large powder brush so that I can apply more product. There are so many more interesting makeup challenges that I can definitely bring for you, so just trying this challenge for the first time, and then we'll definitely try to bring some more different challenges for you guys in future. So I did my powder setting. I hope I have done nicely. Rest I cannot see whether the product is nicely blended or not. Now moving towards the contouring. So for contouring, I have this palette from Wet n Wild, and this is a new purchase. Like, I recently got this palette for myself and I have not used it actually. No doubt I have not used it. I'm just going to use it today, first time, and that is also in this challenge without mirror. But I heard of this product as very good product, so if you want to try this, so it comes with these two things. So we'll do my contouring with this. So I will just get some idea. So here I am supposed to apply it. I feel I'm doing it good. ये प्रोडक्ट अप्लाई भी हो रहा है नहीं, पता नहीं मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट क्यों चूज़ किया व्हेन आई डोंट नो हाउ द पिगमेंटेशन इज. The most difficult part is nose contouring. Oh my god, this is the most difficult part. I cannot see how I'm doing. I hope I don't end up looking very horrible. It's turned out to be good. I hope. I just hope. I'm just contouring my jawline a little bit and little bit my forehead. And even I don't know whether the recording is going on properly or not, or there is no issue, everything is getting recorded, because I cannot see that as well. So this video is like, should I say, very funny. So I did my contouring. I don't know how it went. Now it's time for some blush. So for blush I am taking this blush from Nykaa. Again, this doesn't have any mirror, so I chose this product, and with this brush just going to apply my blush and just I hope I don't end up applying too much and I don't look like a joker. This too much. I feel it should be visible also and not too much also. Don't know. now it's time for some face makeup, eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I'm going to use this palette from Miss Claire. So it's an eyebrow product, and I will use this brush for filling my brows because I think I will be able to fill my brows better with the help of this brush. I don't know, let's see what happens. It will go. Just applying some product on my eyebrows, and I hope I'm applying only on my eyebrows, not anywhere else. Hopefully, this is a most difficult part till now because you are not aware that you are applying the product on to your eyebrows or somewhere else actually. So yes, eyebrows I have done. I don't know how it turned out to be. This will blend with this fully. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Can't see anything. And now we'll play around with some colors. So yes, today I'm using this palette from NK Under the Sea because it has yellow color and no mirror again. And I have to pick up a brush for this. Let's take this brush. So let's take some orange. I'm going to dig into some orange and just going to blend it on my crease like this. I don't know guys what I'm doing, what I'm not doing. I really don't know. So just doing it. Hopefully that I am going to create something good. It is going to turn out to be good, not going to create any mess. So done with some yellow color, sorry, so orange color. I'm now picking this yellow on my finger. I'm just going to apply it on my lid nicely so that it just pop out. The pigmentation of this palette is really nice, so I feel the colors will be visible whatever I'm applying, whatever I'm doing. So creating a combination of orange and yellow, and I don't know how it is going to look like. Just applying and applying. So this is how I applied it. I don't know how it turned out to be, whether I applied on the whole area or that also I don't know. Just let me blend it a little bit more so that it looks really nice on the corners. So yes, I applied the eyeshadow, and now it's time for the kajal. So using my Stay Pretty kajal, this is something I can do very easily because I don't face problem applying kajal. This is the most easy step, and the most difficult step was eyebrows, because eyebrows is something you have to do very precisely. That was the most difficult part, and this is the most easy part. So done with my kajal, and now it's time for eyeliner. Oh god, I will say this is again another very difficult step because applying liner that is also without a mirror is something very difficult. I don't know what I'm going to do. Let me check my eyes. I don't know. Yes, you're right. At least got the, I can feel, yes, I'm applying on my eyes. Just trying to keep it little closer to my lash line. I'm just applying it. Oh god, what I'm doing, I don't know. How it will turn out to be, I really don't know. One eye is done. I'm gonna try on second eye. Oh God. So I applied liner. Um, don't know how I applied. You guys can actually see I'm looking cartoon maybe because मेरे को लग रहा है अच्छे से नहीं लग पाया. And now it's time for mascara. Mascara भी I have to apply without any mirror. So, but this step is फिर भी I can do. Was just I don't end up applying it extra at any such place where I am not supposed to apply. I tried not to create any wink with my liner today because I was not able to see what I was doing. So the best option was not to, you know. So I applied my mascara and some little bit on my lower lash line also. So two steps which was very difficult is was like a liner and second was my eyebrows because these things are like need to be very precise and liner and eyebrows are both are such things that with the mirror also you are not able to make them perfect sometimes, so it was very difficult. Now it's time for some highlighting. Oh shit, I dropped some product. It's broken actually by mistake, it fell down, so I am using this highlighter. Is from Swiss Beauty and it's broken, guys. Taking some highlighter and applying it on the tip of my nose, little bit on my cheekbone, on both the sides. I hope this look good. Little bit on my forehead, little bit on your chin. So I hope I didn't end up applying too much product, nor looking too comedy. You know, we will see once the whole look will be complete. And yes, now it's time for some lipstick. So using this Maybelline ink crayon, and I'm just going to apply this. I felt applying lip crayon is easiest compared to liquid lipstick. I don't know how it turned out to be. So done with the lipstick, and it's final and the most important step, setting up the makeup, although I don't know what I did in my makeup. And wait for this to get dry. And this is how I did my makeup without using a mirror today. So this was a makeup challenge, and now it's time for me to see myself how I look. And I really forgot to take any mirror, so I have to turn my camera so that I can see myself how I'm looking. So I will just do that. Oh my god, guys, so my eyebrows are looking so like comedy. My face is actually I feel like काफ़ी अच्छा हुआ है, बेस मेकअप अच्छा हुआ है, ब्लशर अप्लाई कर लिया है, लाइनर में थोड़ी गड़बड़ हो गई है, आई शेडो भी अच्छा अप्लाई किया है, तो दोनों आँखों पे अच्छे से इक्वल एक जैसा अप्लाई नहीं हुआ है. लिपस्टिक आई हैव अप्लाइड वेरी परफेक्टली, थोड़ा सा टिप पे रह गया है, otherwise lipstick I have applied nicely. Eyebrows are not looking good and liner is also not proper. Rest I think I have done really good job. I really like my makeup. So this was my funny makeup video challenge in which I didn't see my face, and without using a mirror I did my list look. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, then don't forget to like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will try bringing more such amazing and comedy and funny videos for you. So if you want to see some specific makeup challenge and any specific review or anything, please do let me know by mentioning in the comment box below, and I will be back again with another amazing video for you guys next time. So till then, bye guys, love you all.